found the seats. This is the train. These are the seats. You're allowed to eat and drink inside the train, and then you can lift this up. We are at Seoul Station now. Takes about a 45 minutes trip over here from International Airport. So what we took just now was the AREX from the International Airport, and now we are going to KTX to transfer to another train. From there we are going to take a ferry to Jeju. So in Singapore we are standing on the left side. Over here they stand on the right side. Heading to KTX tickets now.